Okay, good morning. Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Daily Photography. Actually, yesterday I didn't make a video, but I took some photos yesterday. And now I am going out again here in a rice field and a mountain there. So I'm going to photograph the mountain. And about the composition technique. There are some composition technique like in the previous video. And today I'm just using rule of third. So I put the field much in the frame like this, or like this, the sky more in the frame. Okay, let's start now. I'm using Nikon D5200.